Okay, everybody, grab anything you can. Let's go bailing now. Take over the seat.
Come on. Throttle jam.
Come on.
You gotta be kidding me! It's jammed. That's great! Throttle's jammed. Mayday! Mayday! How do you work this thing?
Channel 15, it's the Coast Guard.
Help! Doesn't hear me! Mayday!
Listen to me. You'll have to chill out, JT, okay?
This isn't working!
Just keep trying!
It's not going in! What do you need me to do?
Okay, listen to me. Underneath the seat, there's a toolbox. I want you to get wire clippers and wires, okay? So thread those two right there. There you go. Listen to me, I'm gonna have to start this manually, so I need to go back on the side of the motor and hit a switch when I tell you to hit it, okay?
Yeah.
JT, I need you to give me some black electrical tape. JT! Black tape now! Please work. Please work.
You can get us out of here, right?
That's the plan, isn't it? Okay, Danielle, you ready?
Yeah.
Hit it, now! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh, there you go! Yeah, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it! See? We got it.
But guys, we're not gonna be able to make it back to the docks at this rate. There's an island about a half a mile away. We gotta try to get there.